Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. I've got 3 new projects for you and these projects are going to be more for outdoors. It's kind of the first time I've done things for outdoors, so if you like content like this, let me know in the comments and I could do more projects for the garden. So these are all really quick and easy and I'm using everything that I have at home already, which means no more spending. I've got these which I've thrifted. I think I had this from IKEA a very long time ago. So I'm going to be putting everything together. I've got a candle holder as well. And I am going to be using hot glue to stick everything together. But depending on how hot it gets where you are, you might want to use another glue for outdoor. So I'm starting with the candle holder and I'm going to apply glue right on the edge. And then I'm taking this crackle tea light holder and I'm going to secure that in. And I want to give it some height, so I'm just building on that with some more of what I have at home already. A few more glass candle holders. Adding hot glue again to the bottom of this one. And then again sticking this one down. And then finally just adding the hot glue on the top to add the last bit. And then you can add some rocks inside or some glass pebbles. These are the ones I've got here. I think I'll probably go with the blue tones because of the blue in the candle holder. And then once you're done, you can just add your water and your bird bath is ready to go. You can put it in your garden wherever you like. They also sell these Amazon water fountains, so I'm actually going to add that once it arrives. I think that's just going to be beautiful, but you can do without. How quick and easy was that? But I think it's just so pretty to look at. I think the blue and the white really pop and they just really complement each other. I'm going to be so happy if I actually see the birds using this. It's inspired me to do a little pond as well. Maybe I can get some frogs in my garden. Today's video is also part of a collaboration, so there's going to be a playlist with more ideas for you. We're all using things that we have, so there's no more spending like I mentioned. I'm going to leave the link to the playlist in my description box and my pinned comments, so you can check them out once you're done watching my video. For the next project, you're going to want some wellingtons. I've got these really small ones that I thrifted. We're going to be turning these into some floral planters. So I'm going to begin just by taking my drill to drill through to make some drainage holes. So these are my holes now. Did I think 3 in total on each one. And then you want some gravel, so I've got mine in a mug here. I'm just going to place this inside each one. Then you want to add some more soil depending on how much space you have and how big your plant is. I don't think I'm going to need any more, but we'll see. So I'm just going to gently squeeze the plant out of the nursing pot that it's in. So here we have it. Place it inside your boot, just gently making sure it fits. And of course, if you have some boring boots, you can paint them and decorate them however you like, but seeing as this is a lovely design, I'm keeping as is. So that's one done. We're going to do the same with the other one, and you can have matching flowers. I've done that, or you can have different ones. I think choosing smaller rainbows makes it that much more whimsical and just adorable in my opinion. And can you see that this would be selling so much more if you found it in a shop? I think it makes a wonderful gift as well as decor. So for this project I wanted to make something whimsy. I haven't done that for some time. So I'm taking this bird cage which just came with some toiletries. It was like a gift. And then I'm taking this lid to place inside. You can cut some cardboard. And then I want some stones. Where's my stones? Here they are. So you can grab these from IKEA. I've just got them in a bag because I've reused them. So I want to add some stones here first. And I think that's enough. I'm happy with the amount that I've placed there. Then I want to take some succulents, and you can remove the heads off the wire, just pushing it up like this. And we're going to place them at the front and all along the side. Of course you can use some real ones if you want. I've already got enough plants to take care of, so I'm really trying my best not to add any more if I can help it. And I love this purple one. Just adds that lovely pop of colour. Have to see if this one is too big. I think that's okay actually. And bring the green one back. Put some taller ones at the back here. And I'm taking these small ones just to place at the front. We'll take a toadstool. I've got a really big one here, just one. I've got a pack of small ones. This is the usual size, but I love this. It's so bright and colourful. So this is how it looks at the moment. I just want to show you that you can add some solar fairy lights or a crackle solar light like this. You can thread it through. Open the lid and thread it through the top, and then you can tie it. So you can have that option, and you can just fill the rest with some more succulents or moss if you don't want to add any fairies or little miniature gnomes or anything to your garden. Next I'm going to take these two fairy couples on a swing, and I'm going to just open the lid back up and slip this through. And then I also want to drape this over the top for some additional greenery. Now don't forget, you can always seal everything and protect it. There's some waterproof sprays like this one here. I really love the fairy couple on a swing, honestly. I think everything comes together wonderfully. All of the colours just pop. It's definitely one of my favourite projects. And if you don't really enjoy whimsical sort of creatures, then you can always change it up. You can put some birds inside. You can just fill it up with succulents like I mentioned. Maybe a butterfly. So that's all of today's projects. As usual, let me know your favourite. I think mine is probably the fairy bird cage. I haven't done something quite whimsy for a while, but I really did enjoy all of these projects, and I have to say it's definitely made the garden look that little bit more special. So again, if you'd like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check the playlist I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.